Fokuslah sial.
Hensem, sia! So you're in front of your mirror and you're trying to style your hair, but some way, somehow, something's just not right. It's either hard to style or it feels dry, your scalp feels itchy, and you might even have some dandruff. But the thing is, you're a clean guy. You wash your hair day in, day out with shampoo. So what's going on? Aside from shampoo, there's other products that maintain the health of your hair. You have your hair tonics, your grooming tonics, spray grooming tonics, hair oils, hair treatment, conditioners, leave-in conditioners and whatnot, right? Generally, there's three main hair care products. You have your hair conditioner, hair tonic and hair oil. But then, which one do you actually need? Can you just live with one, or do you need all of them? Let me tell you what they are first. Let me put it this way, if you don't use conditioner, your hair will probably feel a bit dry, hard to comb through, prone to breakage, hard to manage, basically just a pain to work with. Shampoo cleans your hair, it opens up the cuticles and removes the excess dirt and oil in your scalp and hair. Now conditioner, it closes up those cuticles, locking in the moisture and nutrients, strengthening the hair, that in turn prevents breakage and even hair loss. So conditioner provides the hair with the oils needed to promote healthy hair that was stripped away during the shampoo process. Generally, the oils in hair oil can also be found in conditioner, and you could say that they work in the same way, that improves your manageability, promotes strength, and locks in that moisture you need in your hair. Conditioners you use during the shower and you wash it out. As for hair oils, you use it after the shower and you leave it in. Now they also offer great heat and UV protection, making your hair look less dull, providing your hair with that nice glossy look. Now, if you also have curls, these hair oils are good for you in the sense that they improve the elasticity in your hair, making your curls look bouncier. So before getting a haircut, sometimes your barber would have sprayed your hair down with some sort of spray bottle you find on your mom's ironing board. Now there's a chance inside that spray bottle, that concoction contains some hair tonic. Now what he's trying to do is to reset your hair to see the natural look of your hair before he cuts it. This means that if you have some product left over in your hair, you can use hair tonic to break it down to reset that hair. Now if you also have hat hair or you've been wearing a beanie the whole day, hair tonic will give your hair that hair reset that you need before you style your hair with the product. So hair tonics does help to stimulate the scalp and may promote hair growth. Similarly, it also provides some moisture and shine to your hair, just like hair oil. But the thing is, you need to know whether your hair tonic you use has oil in it or if it's oil-free, because too much oil is never a good thing. If you didn't realize, all of them more or less do the same thing. So which one is it? It all depends on your hair type. If your hair is thick, coarse and maybe curly, you're good with any of these because you are trying to control your hair, and your hair won't be weighed down by the oils in the product. If your hair is fine and thin, daily conditioner and hair oil might not be the best choice because it can make your hair look flat and your scalp feel greasy. So maybe an oil-free tonic would be better, or you could also condition less times a week, maybe once every 3 to 4 days. Now remember, shampoo and some hair tonics, that's for your scalp, whereas everything else like conditioner and oil, that's for your hair. Okay guys, if that helped, give it a like, subscribe to the channel and tell us down below some of the problems you get with your hair so we can help. Once again, I'm Suryan, you stay handsome, and I'll see you in the next video.